Most people in Kuwait are using digital wallets every single day without realizing they are either saving money or missing out on real financial benefits. And the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming all digital wallets are the same. They are not. Some are just payment tools, some are banking extensions, and a few actually help you reduce fees, earn rewards, and manage your money in a smarter way. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, digital wallets in Kuwait are no longer just about tapping your phone at a store. They are full financial ecosystems that control how you spend, how you transfer money, and how efficiently you manage your daily life. And if you use them correctly, you can reduce friction, unlock discounts, and simplify your entire financial routine. In this video, you are going to learn the 10 best digital wallets in Kuwait for 2026. But more importantly, you will understand exactly how each one works, when to use it, and how smart users combine them for maximum benefit. Now here is something most beginners miss. There is no single perfect wallet in Kuwait. The real advantage comes from combining different tools based on your lifestyle. Let's start immediately because the first one is already used everywhere in Kuwait every single day. Number 1 is Apple Pay. Apple Pay is one of the most widely used digital wallets in Kuwait. You can use it in supermarkets, malls, restaurants, cafes, petrol stations, and almost every major retail store that supports contactless payments. But here is where most people get confused. Apple Pay itself does not offer cashback or rewards. It is just a secure payment system. The rewards depend entirely on the card linked to it. For example, Jake in Kuwait City uses Apple Pay linked to his NBK debit card. Every time he taps his phone, the payment is instant and secure, but any rewards come from the bank, not Apple Pay. Now, here is the problem. Many users assume Apple Pay is the reward system. It is not. It is only the payment layer. But here's where it gets interesting. Apple Pay is extremely powerful in Kuwait because it is widely accepted and works seamlessly with major banks like NBK, Kuwait Finance House, Bergen Bank, and CBK Thai. And in a minute, I will show you a wallet that actually gives real cashback-style benefits through local banking ecosystems. Let's move to number 2, Google Wallet. Google Wallet is the main competitor to Apple Pay in Kuwait, especially for Android users. Just like Apple Pay, Google Wallet does not directly offer cashback. It stores your debit and credit cards and allows you to pay securely using your phone. For example, Sarah in Samia links her CBK and Bergen Bank cards to Google Wallet. Every payment goes through her bank, and rewards depend on her card provider. But here's the catch. Google Wallet is only as powerful as the cards you connect. If your card has no benefits, Google Wallet will not add anything extra. Now here is where it gets interesting. Google Wallet allows you to switch between multiple cards instantly, which helps you optimize spending for groceries, fuel, or online shopping. In a minute, I will show you a wallet in Kuwait that actually gives you direct merchant discounts and loyalty rewards inside a local ecosystem. Let's move to number 3, KFH Online Wallet. KFH, or Kuwait Finance House, is one of the largest Islamic banks in the country, and its digital wallet system is widely used. It allows payments, transfers, bill payments, and secure banking operations. For example, Alex in Kuwait uses KFH app to manage salary deposits and daily spending without needing cash. Now here is where it gets interesting. KFH often offers merchant discounts and special deals tied to card usage. But here is the problem. These rewards are not always guaranteed and depend on promotions. Still, KFH is one of the strongest financial ecosystems in Kuwait because of its wide acceptance and Islamic banking structure. Let's move to number 4, NBK Wallet. NBK is one of the most popular banks in Kuwait, and its mobile app is extremely widely used. It allows transfers, payments, card control, and full account management. For example, John in Kuwait City uses NBK app for salary management and daily expenses. Now, here is the catch. NBK does not rely heavily on direct cashback through the wallet itself. Rewards come from credit cards and banking products. But here is where it gets interesting. NBK frequently runs seasonal promotions and merchant offers that give real savings. Let's move to number 5, CBK, Mobile Banking. Commercial Bank of Kuwait offers a strong digital banking experience through its app. It allows payments, transfers, and financial tracking. For example, Emma in Hawali uses CBK app to manage her bills and monthly expenses. Now, here's the problem. Like most banks, CBK does not provide standalone cashback in its wallet. But here's where it gets interesting. CBK often partners with merchants to provide discounts on shopping and services. Let's move to number 6, Bergen Bank app. Bergen Bank is another major financial institution in Kuwait with a widely used mobile app. It allows secure banking, transfers, and card management. For example, Mike in Kuwait uses Bergen Bank app to track salary deposits and daily spending. Now, here is the catch. The wallet itself is not reward-focused. It is designed for financial control and security. But here is where it gets interesting. Bergen Bank credit cards often provide rewards that are tracked inside the app. Let's move to number 7, Zain Pay. Zain Pay is a digital wallet connected to Zain Telecom in Kuwait. It allows payments, mobile top-ups, transfers, and bill payments. For example, David in Kuwait uses Zain Pay to recharge his phone and pay small bills easily. Now here is where it gets interesting. Zain Pay occasionally offers promotions, discounts, and bonus credit campaigns. But here is the problem. It is more telecom focused than a full financial wallet. Let's move to number 8, Urdu Money Kuwait. Urdu Money is another telecom-based wallet, widely used in Kuwait. It allows users to send money, pay bills, and manage mobile services. For example, Lisa in Kuwait uses Urdu Money to send money internationally to her family. Now here is where it gets interesting. Urdu sometimes offers reduced fees or promotional transfer rates. But here is the catch. Its main strength is remittances and telecom integration, not cashback. Let's move to number 9, STC Pay Kuwait. STC Pay is becoming more popular in Kuwait, especially for transfers and digital payments. It allows users to send money, pay merchants, and manage digital transactions. For example, Kevin in Kuwait uses STC Pay to send money to friends instantly. Now here's where it gets interesting. STC Pay sometimes provides cashback campaigns and merchant deals. But here is the problem. These benefits are campaign-based, not guaranteed daily rewards. Finally, number 10, Samsung Wallet. Samsung Wallet is used by Samsung smartphone users in Kuwait and combines payments, loyalty cards, and secure access features. It allows contactless payments using stored cards and integrates with supported banks. For example, Sarah in Kuwait uses Samsung Wallet for fast payments in malls and restaurants. But here is the reality. Samsung Wallet does not provide standalone cashback. It depends on linked cards and promotions. Now here is where it gets interesting. It is best for convenience, not financial optimization. Now let's bring everything together, because this is where most people finally understand the real system. There is no single best digital wallet in Kuwait. Each one serves a different purpose. Apple Pay is best for fast contactless payments. Google Wallet is best for Android users and card flexibility. NBK, KF-Ash, CBK, and Bergen apps are best for banking control. Zain Pay and Urdu Money are best for telecom payments and transfers. STC Pay is best for digital transfers. Samsung Wallet is best for ecosystem convenience. But here is the biggest mistake people make. They try to use one wallet for everything. That is exactly why they miss rewards, convenience, and efficiency. Now here is the smart strategy in 2026. Use Apple Pay or Google Wallet for daily spending. Use bank apps for financial control. Use telecom wallets for mobile payments and transfers. Use STC Pay for fast digital transactions. Use credit cards linked to wallets for cashback optimization. This is how smart users in Kuwait build a complete financial system instead of relying on one app. And here's the final insight most people never realize. Digital wallets are not just payment tools. They are financial systems that control how efficiently you manage your money every day. Every fee avoided, every discount used, and every optimized transaction adds up over time. Now let's quickly summarize. Apple Pay and Google Wallet provide convenience. Bank apps provide financial control. Telecom wallets provide mobile and transfer services. STC Pay provides digital payments. Samsung Wallet provides ecosystem convenience. Credit cards provide the real rewards layer. If you combine them correctly, you are not just using apps anymore. You are building a complete financial strategy. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment your favorite wallet in Kuwait, and subscribe because the next video will show you how users in the Middle East are stacking credit cards with digital wallets to maximize cashback legally, without changing their spending habits.